guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. This is your girl Latanya Irving. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make wax melts out of your Bath & Body Works 3-wick candle. So if you like to see how to make wax melts, keep on watching. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any uploaded videos from me. And let's go ahead and hop into this video. Okay, so first of all, this tutorial is going to be so quick and super simple. I wanted to show you guys how to make wax melts because, you know, Bath & Body Works has been going up and up every year with their candles. So sometimes not everyone can afford to keep going in there and repurchasing candles. So I figured out a way to just make some wax melts, and I'm just going to show you how I prolong my wax and utilize my candles in a different way other than burning them with the wicks. So there are other ways that you can use the candle. So let's go ahead and hop in. All you need is ice trays. I got this from the Dollar Tree. For $1, you get 2 ice trays. See the number 2. So basically they're 50 cents a piece. Okay, so I have my ice tray. You're gonna need a 3-wick candle. My candle is super duper hot. Now I've had it sitting on, this is a brand new candle, never burned. I purchased this wax burner or hot pad from Michael's. They run like $4 and you just sit the candle on top like that, and it took about 2 hours, and it is electrical and it comes with the little clickable thing. So I've gone ahead and let that sit, and then it's now fully liquefied. Okay, so I forgot to mention, when you're liquefying your candle, keep the lid on. Very important, because you don't want the aroma getting out. You want to save that for the wax melts. If you have it uncovered, then it's going to scent up your house and you're going to start losing your scent. So I just keep this covered while I'm melting my wax, so that you're protecting your table. So this is all you need, is this here. And this is the candle when it is in its liquefied state. You don't have to be super neat. We're just going to, you can break this in half, but let's see. We're going to go ahead and just pour it in. Fill it up. Y'all see where I'm going with this, right? This is pretty much it, guys. So now that we have the wax inside, we're just gonna let that sit and dry room temperature, and I will be back with the final result. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so the wax has set for, I let it sit out for about 30 minutes, and I went ahead and just stuck it in the fridge and let it sit in there for about an hour. And this is my results. That's just some little chips that fell out here. Okay, so here we go. Here is see if you crack it like this, how they move. And you just want to just twist the tray like this and just go ahead and dump it out. And this is just an old Ziploc bag that I reused. And you see you have, some of them may break up a little bit, but that's okay, because what I'm going to do is put this on my wax burner that I had earlier, let it get hot, and then you're just going to stick your wax in there, and it's going to do the same thing as the candle, but it's not burning on a wick. And you're just going to pile them in a Ziploc bag or whatever you like to stock them up in. You prefer to put them in the Ziploc bag. And what I like about this method, again, these candles can get a little pricey, so You know, this is just a way that you can preserve your candles and not burn them as much, and you can just use these as wax melts on whatever type of wax burner you use. So basically this is it. This is simple. It is easy, nothing to it. And give me a big thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I will see you in another video. Bye.